All right, guys, just a quick recap of today's lesson. So we added transitions. So again, to activate your transitions tab, we're going to click on the double triangle on this browser bar. That's going to activate all of your different transitions. Again, if you want to preview it, click on it, scrub over it. It'll give you the option to look at it and view it. Okay. Once you have a transition that you like, you can go ahead and click and drag it in between the clips. Okay. You'll see it drop in there. It'll be indicated as a gray icon in your timeline. If you want to delete it, just highlight it, hit delete. That'll get rid of your transition. Okay, so again, transitions start and end your video clips. They add a little bit of flair to your projects as well. So that's that. Again, when editing your video clips, okay, 3 ways to do it. You can set your in and outs by either dragging left and right. Remember your keyboard shortcuts. I on the keyboard will set an in point, all right, a starting point. O on the keyboard will set an out point, and another keyboard shortcut to remember, E will add it to the end of your project. Okay, so if you're building and adding stuff to the end of your project, E is a handy one to do, or you can just simply click and drag it down. Remember, you can add these wherever you want in the timeline. It's going to slide things out of your way if you want to add it to a specific spot. Okay, so I, E, and O are keyboard shortcuts, or again, let's say you wanted to edit in the timeline at the bottom. Okay. Again, see how long this clip is. Okay. We want to trim this down. Again, we can simply click and drag this to set a new in point or shorten that clip down. Don't forget about the blade tool. Okay, so the blade tool allows you to cut the video clip in specific spots. So let's say I wanted to start the video right there. I can cut it, and I can take this end clip, and let's see how long I want to take it for. I'll take it all the way to the end so I don't have to blade it again. Again, keyboard shortcut, B for blade, A for selection. Right, your selection tool again just allows you to select the clips. Right, so I bladed that one, I want to get rid of it, and now I just have this section of the video clip. Okay. Credits, again, titles. Credits are right here. Generally, we use the scrolling credits. And then lower thirds are here. Again, most of these are built in, and those go above your video clips. Music, we downloaded. iTunes links right to your music and Final Cut. So Final Cut links right to your iTunes library. Again, music will show up as kind of this blue wave box type thing. That's going to be your music. Again, you can set in and out points up here with your music. Or you can simply drag it down and trim these. And the last thing we did was to add a fade out. Again, grab this little bubble, drag it left and right. That will allow you to fade your music in and fade your music out. And don't forget, your audio settings are at the bottom of each clip. So we want to make sure that we can still hear them, but they're not overpowering the music, right? Again, full screen, click here, it'll play it for you. And this is what it should look like. Thanks, guys.